Hi, this is Matt Lee with EnvisionTel, and welcome to today's tutorial on group management on the Connect Your Events platform. Now, group management is a simple concept that will allow you to do some pretty advanced things. Basically, you can create your own custom groups and then assign those groups to either users, categories, or individual events. And the idea is, if you're a user assigned to a particular group, only you and other people assigned to that group will be able to see the categories and events also assigned to that group. So for example, in my tutorial today, we've got a category called Partner Certification Courses. And these Partner Certification Courses are designed for our reseller and referral partners to come in and get certified on our product. Now, we may not want just anybody else to see that. Perhaps customers, we don't want them to see it. Maybe we don't want employees to see it. Or maybe we don't want unknown just prospects that might be browsing our site to attend free webinars. Maybe we don't want them to see it or our competitors to be able to see it. So there's a lot of reasons why we may want to restrict access to only the people that we know and who are approved for these types of content. So I'm logged in. I'm going to go to the account setup area. And we've added a new link down under the users and groups area, which is found in the lower left corner of our menu. And I'm going to go ahead and click on groups. And I've already been playing with the system, so we've got groups for customers, partners, and employees. But of course, we could create additional groups quite simply by typing into this field and hitting create. So let's say we had resellers over in Europe, and maybe we wanted to have dedicated training just for that audience. Perhaps rules are different in the European community. Perhaps the way that we do business might be different. So we wouldn't want to confuse our American partners by having them accidentally register for content that is in the European category. So we've got our customers, partners, and employees. Once the labels are created, or once the group names are created, it's pretty simple just to click into this area. And from here, we can assign users to the group, we can assign events to the group, or we can assign categories. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Assign Categories. And here's all the different categories that we've got created in our system. And what I want to do is I want to take my Partner Certification Courses, and I want to move it over here to the right. So now, just like that, we've assigned Partner Certification to the Partners group within the system. And then we could also follow suit by assigning users. The other way that we could do this is I could actually go to the areas where we manage users. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And on this page, this will pull up a full list of people that I could also search and find and assign. So I'm just doing a little search, and this is pretty dynamic. Depending upon how many users you have in the system, this could take longer or shorter than normal. Okay, there we go. So now anybody that has the word events listed in their name is being pulled up. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Event User 1, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the Groups link, and I'm going to go ahead and assign Event User 1 to the Partners group and hit Save. And just like that, I've assigned my first partner user to the Partners group, and I've assigned an entire category to that group as well. I could also go to the Event Assignments area, and I could click on any of my events, like here's the self-guided eval. I could click on Edit and Groups, and I could assign individual events to a particular group as well. I don't need to do that because in my case, I assigned an entire category. So if I jump back out to the main site and I browse by category, you'll see that since I'm not logged in as Event User 1, I cannot see that orange category called Partner Certification. So I'm going to go ahead and sign out, and we'll sign in as Event User 1. And as soon as we do that, you can see here that the Partner Certification courses showed up. I can also browse by category, and just like that, since I am an approved user for the Partner Certification Courses category, I'm able to see these courses, I can register and take them, and I'm good to go. And that's how we set up groups, and then assign those groups to categories, events, and users so that we can restrict access. Thank you for your participation, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.